What is up, guys? Done at the site. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Telegram to your n8n. So first, you need to head over to your n8n's website, and then you need to create a new workflow. And after that, you need to click on Add First Step, and then here search for Telegram. After searching for Telegram, you need to choose a trigger, and after choosing the trigger, here you will see the credential to connect with. Click on Create New Credential, and after that, here you need the access token. Now to get the access token, you need to head over to the Telegram web and then search for bot father. After searching for bot father, you need to give the command new bot, and after that, it will ask you to what you are going to call it. So name your bot, and after giving the bot your name, here you will see the access token. Simply click on this and the access token will be copied. From here, head back to n8n and then just paste this access token and click on save. After clicking on save, your credential has been successfully saved and created, and your connection is done. As you can see, the connection has been tested successfully. I'll just show it to you in the canvas. Just a minute, guys. And as you can see, the Telegram trigger has been set up. So this is how you can connect a Telegram to your n8n. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.